Okay, to replace the screen on your PSP, you'll need the new screen, and you need some screwdrivers. You only really need the small Phillips head, and you need glasses cloth. This is to remove all the dust and fingerprints you leave afterwards. Okay, with your PSP, the first thing that you'll need to do is turn off your PSP, flip it over, take the battery compartment off and take the battery out. Next, you'll come to 4 screws in here. These 4 screws are located here, 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 and here. And there is another 2 screws here and here. There is also another one on the bottom, but I do not have a screw there. Oh, and when I was putting it back together, you got to make sure that this plate here goes through. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little hole right here, and I'll get it right. there's a little hole right here and right here. There's two little latches coming off here to make sure this rises above this plate. If those two latches get caught underneath this plate here, you won't be able to use the controls, as will happen later. Also remember to get the specks of dust off before you put the faceplate back on, because that will be very uncomfortable when you're gaming. And do the same for the faceplate. Okay, once you put the battery pack back in and the battery casing on, you can flip it back over and turn it on. And there you go. It all works. Okay, now I've fixed that problem with the buttons going sideways and forwards. You do need to look out for that. That's something I did miss on my part. And now it's all fixed and ready to go. You just need to put the game back in.